Have you ever wondered how some companies seem to know what's going to happen before it actually happens? Like predicting which employees might quit, which teams will underperform, or who is ready for promotion before anyone says anything. Sounds strange, right? But it's not guesswork. It's called HR analytics. Most people think decisions in companies are based on experience or intuition. But today, that's only part of the story. HR analytics is about using data to understand patterns in employee behavior and make smarter decisions. Instead of asking what is happening, companies are asking why is it happening? And more importantly, what will happen next? Think about this. Every employee leaves behind data. Performance records, attendance, engagement scores, feedback, project timelines. Individually, these pieces don't say much, but when combined, they start forming patterns. For example, companies might notice that employees who stop participating in meetings, show a drop in performance, and reduce communication are more likely to leave within a few months. That pattern becomes a signal. Let's take a simple example. Imagine a company notices that high-performing employees are leaving after 12 to 18 months. Without analytics, this looks random. But when they analyze the data, they discover a pattern. These employees are not receiving growth opportunities after their first year. The problem is not salary or workload, it's lack of progression. Once identified, the company can fix it. That's the power of analytics. Another important use is in hiring and performance. Companies can track which types of candidates perform better over time and adjust their hiring criteria accordingly. They can also identify what separates high performers from average ones, skills, behavior, or work patterns, and use that insight to improve training and management. But here's where it gets even more powerful. With AI, HR analytics is moving from understanding the past to predicting the future. Systems can now estimate the probability of an employee leaving, identify engagement risks, and even suggest actions to improve retention. It's no longer just analysis, it's prediction. Of course, this also raises important questions about privacy and ethics. Just because companies can track behavior doesn't always mean they should use it without limits. That's why modern HR has to balance data-driven decisions with trust and transparency. Because without trust, even the best systems fail. At the Learning Studio, we're breaking down 100 subjects into simple, powerful video series so you can learn smarter and understand how the world actually works. Because once you understand how companies use data to predict behavior, you stop seeing decisions as random and start seeing the patterns behind them.